If you drink tea from a tea bag, you might be swallowing millions of tiny particles without even knowing it. And yes, scientists have proven this. In 2019, researchers at McGill University in Canada decided to take a closer look at certain tea bags, especially those pyramid or silky ones that look high quality. But instead of testing the tea, they tested the tea bags themselves. They removed the tea leaves completely, then placed the empty tea bag into hot water, almost boiling, around 95 degrees Celsius. And this is where it gets interesting. As the tea bag sat in the hot water, the heat began to affect the material. The plastic structure started to break down at microscopic level, not melting in a way you can see, but slowly releasing tiny plastic fragments into the water. Within minutes, the water was filled with billions of microscopic particles. Not thousands, not millions, billions. These particles are called microplastics and nanoplastics. They are so small you cannot see them with your eyes, but they are floating in the same tea that you're about to drink. Scientists say once you drink this, the tiny particles can actually enter your digestive system, and once this happens, they can be taken up by your cells. But this is very important. We still do not fully understand what this means for the long-term health. So, when people say plastic goes straight into your bloodstream, that is not fully proven. Research is still ongoing. And not all tea bags behave like this. The ones most linked to this are made with plastic materials like nylon and polypropylene, while simple paper tea bags release little to none. Tea is one of the most consumed drinks in the world. Millions of people drink it every single day. But now the question is, if you use tea bags, what else are you actually drinking in your tea?
Is that there are billions of micro and nano particles of plastics coming out of the tea bag.